Hi everybody, I'm Biqtch Puddiń. I'm winner of Brule Brothers Dragula Season 2, and today we are going to be doing my non-binary receptionist power person look. First thing we gotta do is block those brows out. They gotta go. Then we're gonna prime the face. We gotta prime the face for the paint. Next, we're gonna color correct with some red matte liquid lipstick. Now we're gonna paint the house with foundation. You gotta make sure all those blemishes are gone. Now we're gonna cream highlight to bring out them cheekbones and whatever else you wanna bring out. Then we gotta set all the face with some translucent powder. Now we're gonna do eyeshadow. I'm using warm tones and oranges to contrast that blue hair I'm gonna wear later. Now I'm gonna pop on some blue lashes on top of my favorite black ones to accent the whole blue vibe we're gonna go have in a minute. Now I'm gonna do mascara so my natural lashes blend in with these fake ones. Now we're gonna contour the face, and you wanna keep this very neutral, like very soft. Now we're gonna put on some highlighter to bring out that cheek, and we're also gonna do some blush. We're gonna use a nude orange lip now to contrast the blue. Yet again, this is all about contrast. Now the main part of this look, the blue beard. I'm using a contrast of eyeliner pencils and liquid eyeliner markers to make a wonderful stash and goatee combination. Now we're gonna use a glitter highlight in Slayfire Cosmetics' Biqtchin. Now we're gonna pop in contact lenses to make all of this blue pop. And now this look is done, they are ready to count their money and have a good day.
Can't take the pressure, just can't take the pressure. Break down this wall so I can move on.
This character, although they might be power hungry, is all about embracing your inner beauty. Seriously, if you got a few hairs up there, draw some more in, have some fun. Woo! Thank you so much for watching that amazing makeup transformation. Be sure to subscribe to see some more amazing makeup transformations.